Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Excel look professional. First, focus on visual consistency. Choose a clear, readable font like Calibri or Arial and stick to a limited color palette. Utilize Excel's built-in cell styles and themes to apply formatting uniformly across your worksheets. This creates a cohesive and polished appearance. Also, pay attention to alignment and spacing. Well-organized data is much easier to interpret and looks far more professional. Next, let's refine your data presentation for maximum clarity. Always format numbers, dates, and currency correctly to avoid confusion. For example, use the currency format for financial figures and a short date format for dates. Conditional formatting is excellent for drawing attention to important trends or outliers, like values above $10, 000 or below 25%. Finally, ensure all your columns have clear, descriptive headers so anyone can understand your data at a glance. Now let's talk about effective charting and organization. When creating charts, prioritize simplicity and impact. Use clear titles, axis labels, and legends, avoiding excessive data points that can overwhelm. Organize your data into logical sections or tables, perhaps using Excel tables for easy filtering and sorting. A clean layout is crucial. Remove default grid lines and any other visual clutter that doesn't add value, making your spreadsheets look much more refined. For the final touches, always proofread your entire workbook for any typos or formatting inconsistencies. A small error can detract from an otherwise professional presentation. Consider protecting sensitive data or formulas using Excel's sheet protection features, allowing others to view but not alter critical information. This adds a layer of security and professionalism. And speaking of clean, check out the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.